Fugitive emissions are a growing focus in the oil and gas industry, and producers are being tasked with dramatically reducing their emissions. In this video, we're going to cover a small, easy step you can take to prevent emissions from escaping your control devices. Hi, I'm Kyle with Kimray, where we help energy producers solve their biggest control challenges. Many oil and gas producers are rightly discussing large-scale changes to address environmental concerns. However, preventative maintenance on your control equipment is a simple, effective step you can take to reduce your potential for fugitive emissions at your production sites. Over time, all sealing surfaces and control valves, regulators, dump valves, and level controllers are susceptible to wear. If you're looking for small steps to reduce your emissions, we encourage you to inspect your equipment to see what controllers may need maintenance. These valves may be overlooked when there are bigger emission sources at your location. Even equipment you may not think of can be a source of fugitive emissions if not maintained. For example, more prevalent use of emissions detection equipment has highlighted that over time, our trunnion assembly may become a source of fugitive gas emissions. While there may be no visible signs of leaks, the seals in the stuffing box can wear down and not function effectively. To address this issue, we provided repair kits that can be installed on sealing surfaces in our control products, including trunnion assemblies, lever-operated dump valves, regulators, high-pressure control valves, temperature controllers, and weight-operated dump valves. The maintenance schedule for your Kimray products will vary depending on your conditions. While our standard recommendation is to install a repair kit every 12 months, this may not be enough for your particular conditions. We also have regional repair shops that can complete these repairs for you, as well as a field service team that can come out to your location and perform preventative maintenance or repairs. If you're looking for more ways to reduce your emissions footprint, check out our videos on how to use compressed air, non-vent regulators, and electric valve controllers.